So let us start a peyote craft or peyote bracelet in our case. First, you need to pick up one bead of any contrasting color. I'm using blue because blue is not used in the bracelet, so it sort of stands outside of my work. This is going to be our stop bead, which allows all the other beads not to slide and not to be lost. So you put one bead onto the thread, and then you move your needle around and get it through the bead. Take a thread, pull it over, and you fix your stop bead so it's not moving around. We're going to make first 2 rows. That's why we need 8 beads at the beginning of the work. So count your first 2 rows. In our case, that's 8 white beads. You put all your 8 white beads on the needle all together, and you slide them through the thread until they reach your blue stop bead. So all 8 beads at the same time. Now we're going to make the row number 3. For that, we take one bead, we slide the first bead from the thread, and we put our needle through the second bead in a row. Pull the thread through, and now you see, because Delica is very high quality cylindric beads, they will shape some sort of very small T letter, which will start forming our future peyote brick wall. You slide the bead number 3, take one, put your needle through the bead number 4. Pull the thread, and you already start seeing shaping the future rows of your peyote. You slide the bead number 5, sort of skip it, take one bead, put your needle through the bead number 6. You have 2 beads left, so you skip the bead number 7, take one bead, and put your needle through the bead number 8. So now we have the first 3 rows of our bracelet all made in white. You can also slide your stop bead just to be a bit closer to your work so that the beads are stable and they're not moving around. And now you can see that you've shaped some sort of a brick wall, and now in every next row you're going to be using just 4 beads. We are going to make the row number 4. So you take one bead and put your needle through the next bead which stands out. You take one more bead and you put the needle from the next bead which is standing out of your brick wall. You repeat it for the bead number 3. And finally, we do the same for our last bead in a row, which is the bead 4. Here are the first 4 rows of our future bracelet. I'll just add one more white row, and with that we can move and start adding the colors.